Autoclave maintenance is important, and there are a lot of intricate steps involved to ensure your autoclave's longevity. Here at Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, we understand that better than anyone. So in this video, we'd like to show you how we perform one of the maintenance steps for the Statim G4 2000. Specifically, we'll focus on the compressor filter replacement. And we have Ian here to walk you through it.
The compressor filter is located right here. There is a single Phillips head screw that holds that plate on. I'm going to remove that screw. And that plate should pop out. If you have any issues, you can use a small flathead, and that will pop out. We're going to set that off to the side, grabbing our Cycan compressor filter. Press that into place, push that plate back over, screw that into place.
If you have any questions about the Statim G4 2000 or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.